Today I have a Dodge Challenger and I'm going to show you how to reset the windows inside of a Dodge Challenger. Now, a lot of times people will have to reset the windows in their Dodge Challenger because they may have had to disconnect the battery or some electrical issues causing the windows needing to be reset. Either way, I'm going to show you how to do it. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Now with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with resetting the windows on the Dodge Challenger. So what I'm going to do is the vehicle should be in the on position. Okay, the engine should not be running, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. And then I'm going to press this button, but I'm not going to keep my foot on the brake when I start it up. The vehicle's in park. I'm just going to press that. It is on, but the engine's not running. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to the left side to where the window controls are. Window is currently up. I'm going to roll it all the way down. And so when I roll it all the way down, all right, let me do that again. All right, so I'm going to have it up so you can see it a little bit better. I'm going to roll it all the way down or open it all the way up. And when it gets to the bottom, I'm going to hold it for about 5 seconds, 3 to 5 seconds, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then I'm going to pull it back up. And I'm going to hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to do the process all over again. Let it go all the way down. And then all the way up. And when it's all the way up, hold it for 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'm ready to roll. That is how you reset the windows, and now they're able to function properly. I can go ahead and turn on the engine because it's getting hot in here. And the windows are reset. Now watch when I press this, I can release it and it's still going down. And when I pull up on it, I can release it. All right, just like that. So I reset the windows, the auto down for the windows. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.